In this how-to video of Brivo Access, we'll go over setting up multi-factor authentication on your account. The first time you log into your Brivo Access account after multi-factor authentication has been enabled, you will be prompted to register your device. Start by logging into your account with your email address and password. If you have more than one account, select the account you have multi-factor authentication enabled on. You will see a page with a QR code used to register your device. Next, open up Google Authenticator on your mobile device and click Get Started. Click on Scan a QR code. Scan the code with your device's camera. Google Authenticator will give you a 6-digit passcode. Enter that code and click Login. You'll see a recovery code. Please save this somewhere safe. You'll need this code if you lose your device. Click I have safely recorded this code and click Continue. You are now logged into Brivo Access. Going forward, you will log in with your email address and password. If you have multiple accounts, select the account you wish to log in with. You will be prompted to enter a 6-digit passcode. Open Google Authenticator on your device to redeem that passcode. Enter it and click Login. If you have lost your device, you can use the recovery code that you saved during the device registration. Enter the recovery code and click Login. You'll be given a new recovery code to save in case you need it in the future. Save the code somewhere and click I have safely recorded this code and click Continue. For more information, please visit us at brivo.com or contact your Brivo account manager.